well, we'll check in with you, unfortunate people, when you reach Raptor dispatch behind me. Okay? The package will be waiting on either side, and as you can see, they're a little fired up right now because they haven't been fed, and unfortunately, they've scented you.
All part of the experience, isn't that right?
Oh, right. Oh, good. Well, then, when the gate's open, I guess the hunt is on. Hands, arms, feet, keep them in the vehicle with any luck to still have fingers and toes before you exit through the gift shop.
Thank you so much, Mr. Grady.
I tell them the Raptors are dangerous.
Once you are boarded, we will prepare the dispatch and safety critical checks. Thank you, and enjoy this exciting...
To retrieve your items, you must put all of your...
Chega na frente assim, ó. Peraí que eu tenho que colocar a boneca ali na Tá o cabelo. Cuidado. Pô, mano, achei devagar.
I put my arms up and it changed everything.
If I woke up every day like that, I'd see a different life. It's true.
I don't even get nervous. No. That's a 6-time ride. It's been our entire early access ride. Oh, Amy's got the card. Or Dad's got the card.
I don't have the card for this.
I should have brought it there, but...
Enjoy the rest of your